Hola bafethu, Danko. Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs Pro News Sport. Please like, share, comment, subscribe so that the channel can grow bafethu. Today we're going to talk about Mabuya bafethu. Mabuya is the best player and I've been watching it. As I said it last time on the short video that I posted, I said Mabuya, I have been watching his videos. I saw the way he plays Bafethu. He can play, you know how to control the tempo of the game. And the way he switches the ball, I think it's the best Bafethu sitting into enjalo ethimini Bafethu besishota ngayo. Noma uMiguel Bafethu esasinikeza tough time Bafethu, but as a human being Bafethu, I understand ukuthi there is time othola ukuthi player is not doing well, and it's not the wrong thing ukuthi nimbeke ebenchini. I think it's a high time ukuthi ama-coaches athathe i-decision no matter how you like the person, but if the person is not doing well bafethu, try and protect him, don't expose him, because when you are exposing him to the supporters will start hating him. So it will give him a problem, like what happened to uKhanyisa Mayo. Ngale nto eyenzeka, le nto uthola ukuthi abantu mase bafika lapha sebaqala ukuphushana nobabakhe lapha egroundini stadium. So I don't think it's the good thing bafethu. So sometimes as coaches, even if the player feels like you are disrespecting him or whatever, but sometimes it's the good thing to protect that player bafethu, because if you are doing that, you are saving him for the next game so that the supporters cannot just hate him bafethu. Kodwa ke akunani bafethu, into ebalekile njengamanje ifocus bafethu, njengale game yange Wednesday bafethu. I so wish the coaches can make good decision, bafake uMabuya noma sometimes bam-sacrifice umthetho bafethu, bafake uMabuya noNgcobo, sike sibone i-combination yabo, or bafake uMabuya nomthetho noCele, I mean, sike sibone i-combination yabo bafethu ukuthi what is happening. Maybe something can come up bafethu, ezingibone lapha endishini. uMabuya bafethu is good for unumber 6. Adlale nje njengoVitina bafethu, ukuthi niyambona ukuthi ibhola ulishintsha kanjani, uyakwazi ukuliswitcha left and right center yabo. So we need such players.